Hi children, how are you? You all are happy? Yes, I hope you all are happy and good. So, in our earlier period, we learned about chapter number 1 in English subject, and that was Cranky Macaw. Now, in this period, we learn about poem. In chapter 2, there is a poem about trees. The poem is about trees that we will learn. There is a tree. Tree means if we speak of word tree, so lot many things will come in our mind. A tree is there, tree shapes, leaves, seeds, roots, and many things will come in our mind. So this is one kind of natural poem. Many kinds of poem is there. Means many kinds of poems are there, but this is a one kind of natural poem. So this poem was written by Vanderstein Bernstone. Vanderstein Bernstone is the poet of this poem. He wrote this poem, and he wrote this poem plays novels, and he wrote lot many novels, and he got National Nobel Prize in Literature in 1903. So he got lot of award. This Vanderstein and Bernstone that got lot many awards. He was a natural poet, and this is one kind of Robert Frost poet. You know that many poets are like Robert Frost, William Wordsworth. They all are natural poets. These are all foreign poets. They wrote about nature of poets and nature of beauty. Means how that nature is there. How that nature is there about nature. They describe the whole nature independently and in different way. So what is the nature? Nature, what want to say? That natural messages they send to us. Means they describe the whole nature. How is the nature? Which kind of things are there in nature? What they want to tell? Means in short, these all poets like William Wordsworth, that Robert Frost, they made all natural things like living things. They used these all things as a living things, and they presented these all things. So this poem is there about trees, that one kind of natural poem, and this poem tells us a lot of many messages, and this poem is written by Vanderstein Bernstone, and this all that chandas are taken that Robert Frost. So here the tree is there about a tree, the importance of tree and how that growing. Many trees grown up in the rainy season, and there was a huge natural resources in the forest. So means lot many trees are there. So here poem is about tree. That here a speaker is there, the girl is plucking the flowers of tree. That poem is there, tree, ready with leaves and with birds to the tree. A tree is there. First it was a small seed, then seed germinate, and then it will grow in a small plant. Then small plant will grow and in big tree. So there was a process of germination. You already learned in science. So that small seeds, that grown up small plant after time it will grow up in big trees. It will take time, years, many years will take to grow up huge trees, and then it grown up trees. So here poet is saying the tree is standing with a trunk, birds, and with flowers and with leaves. So trees leaves are there of green leaves. Place where a lot of rain is there, that trees are there green for whole year. So that tree is standing. When a natural scene is there, poet use that tree is standing with the birds and leaves around the trees. We all know that green trees are, it has birds and leaves and some branches and that all. So the one tree is standing at one place. That poet is saying, imagination is there of poet. That tree is there. Shall I take them? The poet said, now popping with leaf. So the tree is green in the winter season and in the rainy season. So the poet is very happy to see that green tree. The poet is explaining us and saying that shall I take that all things from the tree? The popping and that the clouds are there. It was a scene of rainy season. Green tree was standing with birds, fruits and branches are there shaking in the wind. Some clouds are going, passing from the tree, and the poet is very delighted and very happily asking the trees that shall I take that fruits and flower from you? Very happily he was requesting the tree that how in all kind of condition the tree will stand at one place only, whether it is cold, hot or rain. The tree will have to stand at one place. You know, many uses of trees are there for medicines, to get wood to burn. Many plants are useful to make medicines also. Trees are the shelters of many birds, animals, and even insects also stay in the tree. So that is the importance of tree. So the poet is requesting the tree that shall I take that fruits and flower from you? Oh my, no, let them stand till flowers are at hand. The trees are requesting that saying that no, till the flowers will come on me, you can't take anything. Means let the flowers come on the trees. Right now that birds is there. So whenever the birds will grown up, it will happen flower. So the poet had to wait till the fruits will come on the tree. So now, oh my, no, let them stand till flowers are at hand. Till the flowers will come on the trees, let them stand, and birds will be there on the trees. That will be same condition. So no need to touch the trees and no need to cut the trees or branches. All trembling from tree top of to root come the please are there. There was a great joy. The poet is requesting emotionally to the tree. There was a great joy that all trees branches are trembling. Trembling means that shaking in the hand, vibrating in the hand, in the wind. The wind was so strong. There was a scene of summer and here the scene is given of rainy season. So the tree, full tree, the wind is blowing, so tree is shaking branches. So by the shaking of branches, many birds and flowers fell on the earth. So the poet is saying, all traveling from tree top to root come the trees. So that birds are there and some flowers are there, the wind, they falling on the earth and they fall down on the earth. So the poet is requesting the trees that till flowers are at hand, tree has to wait till the flowers will be there. Birds will change flowers, and that much time it has to wait. Flowers unfolding the birds clearly sung. Shall I take them? The wind said, and merrily swung. Some birds are there on the trees. As I told you, the tree is the homes of many creatures like birds, animals, small insects are living in the tree trunk and anywhere. So that tree is the home. So flowers unfolding the birds greatly sang. You know, in The rainy season, that trees leaves will be green. All birds like to sit on the trees and they sing beautiful song. So that poet atmosphere is making the atmosphere very very attractive by that birds are sitting on the branches of trees and they are singing very happily because there was a morning time. All birds come out of the nest. There were many nests on the trees. Birds came out of the nest and they went to search food for them. So that was the atmosphere of morning time, and that wind was there. Oh my, no, let them stand till cherries are at hand. Now, first it was bird were there, now it's changed into flowers, and now poet again requesting the trees, shall I take the flowers? But the request that saying that we can't take, you have to wait till the fruits will come on the tree. Means there was a request that till the fruits will come on the tree, the poet has to wait. Means, oh my, no, let them stand till the cherries are at hand. It was fruit of cherries. It will come on the trees. Till that much time, the poet has to wait. Means now first birds were there, birds in flowers, and the flowers is changed into fruits like cherries. Till cherries are at hand. So in the small children's hand, cherries will come. At much time we have to wait. In short, poet is saying that birds change into flower and flower change into fruits. So that much time the poet has to wait. Right now we can't take that. The cherries came forth with the sun's glowing eyes. Cherries will come and will grow. The fruits will grow on the tree, but it will take time. When the sun's glowing eyes can meet, sun will be there, it will be hot, and the sun will rise and glowing the eyes. Whenever we wake up in the morning with the first sunlight, then cherries will grow one day and then can take. Shall I take them? A rosy young girl eagerly cried. One young girl was there. She went near the tree and asking the tree, shall I take that cherries? Because cherries are ready right now. That girl, take them, a rosy young girl eagerly cried. One girl eagerly crying, young girl, eagerly, and requesting the tree, shall I take the cherries? You know that small kids are there, they are very notorious and they want things. Whenever they will see any fruit or something, they already wanted to take that things. So that girl, small girl, in picture you can see, she is saying, shall I take these all fruits? Shall I take them? A rosy young girl eagerly cried. Eagerly, very eager to get the things. The young girl is there, eager to get things. She eagerly want that fruits. So requesting and crying because the branches are there too high. Oh my, yes, you can take. I have kept them for your sake only. Tree is saying, young girl, that oh my dear, you can take these all things because I brought this thing for you only and kept them for your sake. The tree is saying, I bear a lot of many mistakes and lot many difficulties I stand in the winter, summer and rain season, and I brought this fruit for you only because human beings eat fruits of trees. Human beings, they cut the trees also. The trees never complain, but then also trees gives seeds, fruits, seeds, and lot many things to the human beings. Even the human cut the trees then also. So the young girl eagerly asking about the trees, about cherries to the trees. Oh my, you can take. I have kept them for your sake. This tree is saying, it is for you only. I grown these fruits for you only, so you can take this. requesting, the tree is saying, okay, you can take now, the fruits are nearby your reach only. You can take it by your hand only, that much near fruits are there. So you can take that. Now, low bending in branches, the trees brought them nigh. The poet is saying, the tree is requesting the girl that fruit, whatever I grown, that is nearby your reach only. No need to take help of anyone. No need to climb on the tree to take the fruits. You can take the trees by easily by your hand only. That much near I brought that fruit. That is poem. In this poem, that much saying. So this is a poem about nature. Many natural things are there. Trees are there. Requests are there. Request for fruits, flowers. But in short, the message is there. We don't have to cut the more trees without any needs. In short, we don't need to cut the trees because trees gives us fruits, flowers, but till we have to wait for that proper time. Here in this poem, we can say the first tree is requesting the poet, you can't take right now because small birds are there. Again request that birds change into flowers, and again tree said no. But when the flower grown up in the fruits, the tree itself said to the girl that you can take the cherries from my side. And at last, the girl got cherries from the trees. This is one kind of natural poem, and everything, natural things are well mentioned. The stanzas of these poems are very well mentioned, and many things are there in this poem that many things are there, tree, glee, that rhyming words are there, and sung, swung, stand, hand, eyes, cry, many things are mentioned in this poem by the poet. He used a lot many figures of speech and many new words poet used, many old words also used in this poem, and the poet makes this poem very attractive and beautiful by nature. And this is a great poem by the poet, and in short, that straight message is to the man that men have to be patient that a time when fruits will grow up and they can take. These fruits are there for men and human beings only, but there was a proper time to pick up that fruits. So here in this poem, you can say the birds grown up, birds change into flowers, flowers happen, then flowers change into fruit. At much time wait. So in short, in last in conclusion, the little girl got fruits and she will be very happy to get the cherries. And not only that girl happy, but that tree also happy to give that fruits to the girl. So this is one kind of great poem that I said you that trees is there and girl is there, and it is natural poem. All stanzas are there that are very beautifully mentioned, and many things are there. In short, the tree message is there that men have to wait for time, and at proper time they have to pick up the fruits and enjoy the nature, because tree is one kind of natural things, and natural things let it be in the nature only. Okay, so thank you children. This is poem. Bye children.